Ayo! No. Hi. Sorry guys, but I have new lighting and it's a really awesome lamp that I got. Like this. A lamp like this, and yeah. Like my hair is beautiful. I'm gonna be wearing it like this a lot since I'm lazy. Okay. Is my face still washed? Okay, like I have to go put a second away. Choking. What's up? Or really? What's up? I'm just, I have to do geography today. Stupid. Geography test tomorrow. Oh, pissed off some people text. I pissed off people on text. Called some people. Like someone usually. Like my pajamas. They're owls. And they're blue. I don't know what's going on. Who? Don't you autocorrect corrects words to something else that is completely different from what you were actually saying? Yeah. We have a stupid project. I have to do tests tomorrow, which is geography. I have English test the next day, which is a project. And I don't know if we have anything. No. We aren't doing anything in just texting one of my friends. But no longer taken, no longer dating. Yeah, I'm not going into detail about it, but yeah, I'm not dating anyone anymore. Well, I feel like it's a waste of time. Really. Obsessing over that one thing that you know is not going to make you happy in the long run. So, yeah. Yeah. But yeah. Just wondering if you guys are like, oh, what the fuck is this doing here? Food for my, not my bunny, my, what you call it, turtle, which I do have in my background, as you can see. I don't touch him. He's disgusting. Oh, he loves me. He's, hi, buddy! Buddy! Hi! Hey! Okay, look at this. Look at this, guys. Buddy! Buddy! Hi! Hi! Come here! Come here! Guys, he's moving side to side right now. Come here! Oh, you're cute. Okay? I think every animal's cute. yeah, you can tell now he's eating. But yeah, he was going crazy. My next video is probably going to be me on my phone. On the phone taping all my rabbits. So look out for that, guys. Peace! Oh, what the hell? No, I gotta do peace on the street, son. No, but yeah.